Good evening, everyone. It is August the 9th, 2019. It's 5 p.m. This is your 5 o'clock earthquake report. There was a 2.6 upgraded to a 2.8 Oklahoma, 6 miles east-northeast of Edmond at 2 miles in depth. 3.2 western Idaho. That came in 11 miles northeast of Chalice at 3 miles in depth. A 4.3 Salta, Argentina. That was at 340.5 miles in depth. A 3.5 off the shore of Chile. That came in at 23.6 miles in depth. A 3.6 Antofagasta, Chile at 87.6 miles in depth. 3.5 Mandano Islands, the Philippines. Now EMSC was the only one to have this. It came in at 78.6 miles in depth. 4.5 off the shore of El Salvador. That came in at 41 miles in depth. A 3.7 Simba region, Indonesia at 19.2 miles in depth. A 4.5 Ryukyu Islands, Japan at 42 miles in depth. A 4.1 off the coast of Oregon. Alright, now that came in at 6 miles in depth. A 4.3 Flores Sea. That came in at 6.2 miles in depth. 3.2 Virgin Islands region. That came in at 21.7 miles in depth. 4.4 downgraded to a 3.5 Salta, Argentina at 105.0 miles in depth. A 3.5 Indonesia at 16.1 mile in depth. A 3.0 Hawaii, 7 miles south-southeast of Volcano. They have that in 1 mile in depth. A 4.2 Rat Island, Aleutian Islands, Alaska at 92 miles in depth. And a 3.2 Antofagasta, Chile at 73.3 miles in depth. All links, guys, all links will be in the description box. Looks like things are heating up a little bit here in the U.S. The 3.2 Idaho, the one off of Oregon, the 4.1 off the coast of Oregon. Oklahoma's still getting hit also. Alright, like I said, all links will be in the description box. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are just totally awesome. I'll be back at midnight for the midnight report. Please be safe out there. 2 thumbs up for you. Have a great evening.